Want to know how to start a conversation with someone in Messenger? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Messenger application. And we have also created a video on how to install Messenger, so make sure to watch it. So once you have done that, here you should be provided with this screen right here. So now, chatting with people is super simple. So on top, you should be seeing the search bar. Just simply select search bar right here. And once you select the search bar, you can just simply search up for any name. So there will be various names, groups and channels are popping up once you have searched for it. And once you have searched up for the name and once the name pops up, here you should be seeing your profile or the user's profile. You can just simply select it and chat with them. And that's it. Super simple and easy. That's how you easily chat with them. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.